This is Ultraloq 3BT, a Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock designed to be real keyless. With features like fingerprint identification, it is an excellent solution for everyone. Forget about calling the locksmith or replace. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. Ultraloq UL3BT has Bluetooth connectivity that will allow you to pair it with your smartphone, running iOS or Android. This way you'll be able to unlock your door using the smartphone app. If you have an Airbnb or dog walker, you can share temporary e-keys for specific dates and times. Manage users and log record of who has entered and exactly when they did. And one more option to unlock it is with your Apple Watch for keyless access. Ultraloq UL3BT has an auto-lock function, so yours can never be forgotten. The touchscreen display and the app will guide you through the process of managing users, as well as setting passage or lockout mode. With passage mode, the lock will remain open for free access. With lockout mode, your lock can only be operated manually by the mechanical key. In case the batteries die, just use the backup keys to open it as any other lock. And this peace of mind just minutes to install. This is Ultraloq UL3BT, a smart lever lock with amazing capabilities, ready to work with your door.
You